Welcome to Goldwagen's Quality Tips. Does your steering wheel make this kind of whining sound every time you try to turn it? If you have a power steering system, it's likely that one of the following issues are the causes of the sound. Your steering system's fluid levels might be low, which is causing the pump to whine. The fluid might be contaminated with dirt and debris. The pump might be worn, or the power steering bolt might be loose or worn out. Alternatively, there might be a problem with the pressure relief valve. Stop by one of our Goldwagen stores and have one of our experts supply you with the necessary parts or fluids to have the problem fixed. Remember to visit your nearest Goldwagen to get the best quality parts for your vehicle.